Crunchy, tasty, and naturally sweet, carrots are loaded with healthy nutrients. Even if you are not a fan of vegetables, we bet you never say no to carrot juice. It's sweet, thirst-quenching, and super healthy. But are you curious about what happens when you drink carrot juice every day? What benefits or risks might you be taking on? Let's find out in this video. What are the main benefits of carrot juice? Carrot juice is just as packed with nutrients as raw fruit and is said to be good for your health. Here's how your body can benefit from drinking it. Number 1. Boosts your immune system. Carrot juice contains beta-carotene and vitamin C. Both these nutrients play a key role in boosting the immune system. What actually happens is when you start drinking carrot juice, the number of immune cells in your body increases rapidly, and so does their activity. This strengthens your immune system, which then helps you fight against infections and diseases. Number 2. It makes your skin glow. The beta-carotene in carrot juice is good for glowing and healthy skin. Why? Because beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the liver, and vitamin A is known to reduce wrinkles and dark spots. It also helps to maintain healthy and younger-looking skin. So, whenever you feel that your skin is looking dull, try some carrot juice. It will keep your body healthy from the inside out. Number 3. Improves your eyesight. Carotenoids are known to provide protection against macular degeneration and eye infections. Luckily, carrot juice is a rich source of those. These healthy carotenoids make carrot juice incredibly beneficial for improving eyesight. It is found that people who drink carrot juice have lower chances of developing macular degeneration. Researchers say that drinking carrot juice regularly can also reduce the risk of cataracts by 30%. Carotenoids are also helpful for those who already have weak eyesight. Even though it does not restore your lost vision, it helps you maintain it. Number 4. Prevents cancer. Probably the most notable benefit of drinking carrot juice every day is its cancer prevention. Yes, you heard that right. Something as simple as a glass of carrot juice can save you from a life-threatening disease. Let me explain how. Carrot juice is rich in antioxidants, mainly flavonoids. These flavonoids are disease-fighting nutrients that have anti-cancer properties. They help your body prevent the growth of cancer cells. Carrot juice is also helpful for people who are already diagnosed with cancer. The antioxidants present in this juice participate in suppressing cancer cell growth. Number 5. Prevents heart complications. Carrot juice is also known to lower cholesterol levels and prevent heart complications. This is done by its beta-carotenes and vitamin A molecules. The long list of benefits does not end here. Carrot juice also regulates your blood pressure. It contains just the right amount of potassium to keep your blood pressure in check. Is it good to drink carrot juice every day? Drinking carrot juice every day is good for health, but excessive consumption can lead to some serious side effects. Too much consumption of beta-carotene leads to carotenemia. It is a clinical condition that causes a yellow discoloration of the skin. The yellowish tint is most notable on the skin of the face, soles, and palms. This is why you should always follow the recommended daily dose of no more than 4 ounces per day. When is the best time to drink carrot juice? You can drink carrot juice whenever you want, but the best time to drink carrot juice is in the morning. Your body absorbs the nutrients from the juice much more easily when you have an empty stomach. What are the side effects of drinking carrot juice every day? Excessive intake of carrot juice can lead to side effects like nausea, vomiting, and stomach cramps. It may also lead to hair loss and vitamin A toxicity. Apart from these side effects, drinking carrot juice every day is good for your health. It is a nutritious drink that can help your body become more radiant, strong, and healthy. Do you drink carrot juice every day? Have you noticed any changes in your health? Let me know in the comments section below.